I'm Jeanette White for ExpertVillage and Piper's Quilts and Comforts, and today we're doing a mitered corner. In our last segment, we did the first step in this, which was joining this down, making a fold out to the right, and we are looking for two things. I'm looking for a straight line that goes across here that is uninterrupted, and I'm looking for an L shape right here. Once I have those two things, I am going to fold my binding back so that this folded edge right here lines up with the raw edge right here. And these three raw edges, 1, 2, 3, are all together. Once I have that, I am going to insert one more pin right here. I'm going to make sure that these two folds right here are lined up. I'm going to fold this down, and this folded edge is now lining up with this raw edge here. I'm going to take an awl, and I'm going to feel right here. And by the way, this is a very necessary tool. I'm going to stitch down until I can feel that fold right underneath there, and then I'm going to hit reverse on my machine and do just 1 or 2 reverse stitches. And then I'm going to bring my needle to the highest position so that my thread will move, and I'm going to pull out my quilt top just enough that I can flip this dog ear back, make my turn, and I'm going to sew right off the edge this time. Now we're going to pause for just a moment, and you can see that we have made a nice mitered corner. In our next segment, we will be trimming this off and flipping it to the back and finishing it off.